The Food Service Exchange presents.
The Magic Chef 3.1 cubic foot compact refrigerator is offered in a white, black, and stainless steel look. Its sleek and space-saving design offers the storage convenience of a full-size fridge, but in a compact form that fulfills your office, dorm, or rec room needs. Form follows function thanks to its versatile storage options. The easy clean glass shelves are no match for spills and keep food items efficiently organized. A vegetable crisper drawer helps keep perishables fresh and ready to enjoy. Door racks offer storage space for both small and large items, including a 12-ounce beverage can dispenser for grab-and-go convenience. A separate freezer compartment is perfect for short-term storage of smaller, frozen food items. An adjustable thermostat control regulates the temperature inside the refrigerator. Enjoy flexible placement capability with the reversible door and space-saving flush back design. Plus, it's ENERGY STAR qualified, which means year-round energy savings. So, whether you're college-bound or ready to upgrade your home entertainment space, this refrigerator will meet all of your needs.